Today I will be showing you how to make a chicken farm in Minecraft. And today we will need a glass, hopper, any brick of your choice, a chest and a chicken spawn egg. Okay, so first we're going to put some chests in the ground. You can put how many of you want. I'm going to put 3, but yeah, like three big chests. So you put them in the ground, and then you dig all the way around how big. You can do however big you want, but I'm doing it this big. Then you put hoppers on the chests. Like you tap on the chests and you tap on the hoppers, or if you place whatever you're playing on, but you attach them to each hopper. Then I'm gonna build the frame next. So you put there. So I'm gonna build the frame. We're gonna put the bricks over around the chicken, whatever you want to call it. I don't really care. I haven't given it a name, but we're gonna put the brick of your choice. We're gonna put the glass up. Like, I'm putting it 3 blocks, but you can put it more or less. It's your choice, really. I'm gonna skip to when I'm done. Okay, I'm done. So now you put your chickens in. You put how many chickens you want. Doesn't really matter. Then you put the roof on. And it is complete, really. Your chickens will end up in these chests on the side. And yeah, this is a short video, but thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.